Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of engineering economics. In today's video we are going to see about supply. So in general, supply is all about the quantity given to the customer for the price they give. So in this unit we have already discussed about what is meant by demand and demand schedule, law of demand, determinants of demand and all. The other part, the exact opposite of demand, is supply. So in this video we are going to say about supply, and we have already seen a design thinking based approach of supply taken by R. Menkes. So in this video we are going to see about what is meant by supply. So it is the amount of some good or service a producer is willing to supply at each price. A price is what the producer receives for selling one unit of a good or service. An increase in price almost always leads to increase in the quantity supplied of that good or service, while a decrease in price will always decrease the quantity supplied. For example, so as per the law of supply, whenever the price increases, the supply increases. Whenever the price decreases, the supply decreases, and vice versa. It is just the exact opposite of demand, law of demand, because as per the law of demand, whenever the price increases, the demand decreases, and whenever the price decreases, the demand will increase. So that is not true with supply. Let's discuss the law of demand and what is meant by supply with an example. When the price of gasoline rises, for example, it encourages profit-seeking firms to the following things. What are they? If the price increases, they will tend to expand the exploration of oil reserves, drill for more oil, invest in more pipelines and oil tankers to bring the oil to plants where it can be refined into gasoline, build new oil refineries, purchase additional pipelines and trucks to ship the gasoline to gas stations, and open more gas stations or keep the existing gas stations open for longer hours. So these things will be accomplished only when the price of the particular product increases. So whenever the increase in price of a product is heard, it means that the supply will also be increased. That is what supply and law of supply is all about. Now we will see what is meant by supply schedule. So it is a table that shows the quantity supplied at each price. So just like your demand schedule, supply schedule is also a table that tells about the quantity supplied to the price, whereas demand schedule is the quantity demanded for each price. Next, what is supply curve? It is a graph that shows the quantity supplied at each price. Sometimes the supply curve is called as a supply schedule because it is a graphical representation of the supply schedule. So here we have given the examples of the gasoline that we have discussed right now. So whenever there is an increase in price, the quantity supplied by the gas companies is also increases. This table is the supply schedule. If we reframe the table into a graphical representation, then that is what supply curve is all about. So in graphical term, the x-axis shows the quantity supplied and the y-axis shows the price of the gasolines per gallon. So it is very similar to the demand curve, right? Demand curve is in x-axis we have quantity demanded, and in y-axis we have the price of the product. The same here in x-axis we have the quantity supplied instead of quantity demanded. So this is what supply schedule is all about. So in this video we have seen about what is meant by supply and what is meant by supply schedule and supply curve. And the law of supply is that whenever the price of the product increases, it means that the supply of the product will also increases. Whenever the price of the product decreases, the supply will also decrease. This is what law of supply. So in this video we have seen about supply and its basic terminologies. Hope this video is very useful. Keep watching and keep learning. Happy learning. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.